There might not be a direct integration between CJ Dropshipping and Daraz. However, you can manually list CJ Dropshipping products on Daraz by following these steps. Create a Daraz seller account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Daraz seller account on the Daraz platform. Access your CJ Dropshipping account. Log into your CJ Dropshipping account where you source your products. Select products. Browse through CJ Dropshipping's catalog and choose the products you want to sell on Daraz. Download product information. Download product details, including images, descriptions, and specifications from CJ Dropshipping. Ensure the information aligns with Daraz's requirements. Create listings on Daraz. Manually list your selected CJ Dropshipping products on your Daraz seller account. Input the downloaded product details during the listing process. Set pricing and inventory. Configure pricing and manage inventory levels on Daraz according to the details provided by CJ Dropshipping. Manage orders. Monitor orders on both platforms. When you receive an order on Daraz, place the order with CJ Dropshipping through their platform. Coordinate with CJ Dropshipping. Communicate with CJ Dropshipping to ensure smooth order fulfillment, shipping, and any necessary customer support.